Hi, I'm Kirby Allison. In this installment of our FAQ series, I'm going to answer your questions about what's the difference between the Saphir leather cleaning soap and the Saphir saddle soap. Very important distinction between the two. Saphir has this Saphir leather cleaning soap and then the saddle soap, and I'm going to grab one more product to show you that is important to know. So let's see. Okay, so here's the saddle soap and the leather cleaning soap. So these two products look very similar. They come in the same packaging. Other than the nuances of the label, they look almost identical, but they couldn't be any more different. Both can be used to clean your shoes, but the leather cleaning soap is really what we recommend for the primary use for leather dress shoes because it has additional nourishing agents in there to help offset the dehydration that a leather cleaning soap or a saddle soap causes whenever you wet your shoes and they dry off. Now the saddle soap is a much more traditional saddle soap. It is exactly that. It's a saddle soap for other tack and saddlery. It's a little bit more aggressive. It'll dry out the leather more than the leather cleaning soap will. And so if you're using it for a work boot or something, maybe the saddle soap is fine, but the leather cleaning soap really has been designed just for leather dress shoes to provide that cleaning that you would expect from a saddle soap without unnecessarily dehydrating the leather. Now we have a product that, again, we created just for the use of these saddle soaps, and this is our extra large Deluxe dauber. Now part of the problems with the saddle soap or any leather cleaning soap is that, you don't have a large enough dauber to really get an effective shampoo. And so this has an 1 3/4 inch bristle head. It is a high quality 100% tail horsehair pinned at a high density, and it's really perfect for use with your leather cleaning soap. Now this comes with the foam applicator, but this brush just goes in perfectly, works up a beautiful lather, and you can use this to clean your shoes effectively and efficiently.